All right, my next step is to put a roosting bar up. I'm planning on putting 2 of them up and a shelf for their poop. And so I'm starting with these. I built these, and I will have the roosting bars sit in between them, like that. Okay, so I am going to wrap my roosting bar in rope, and this is my first attempt. We'll see how it goes. I did secure the rope with a washer and a screw, just like I used on the hardware mesh around the run. All right, here it is. Now I'll show you it in the coop. Do you just love your baby chicks?
Yeah.
You're so cute.
The chickies are having fun to play, but we also let them play in their chicken coop or something like
For 1 hour?
like to 1 hour, and 1 hour is like this long, but
Yeah.
we actually let them play in their chicken coop for today. Yay!
There you go. You did it. You got one. Good job. It's your first time picking one up on your own.
Yeah. Thank you.
Off to Menards for some flowers and more wood. He's so cute, isn't he?
Can I say hi? Pink and the love.
Okay, so you're going to take that. And then which one of these do you want?
This one.
Okay, grab it. And I'll take this one.
And I will take this one.
Try that. Okay. Lift it up. We got to squeeze the bottom to get it loose. Loosey goosey. There you go. Okay. There. I'll hold. You pull. Pull lightly. All the dirt is gonna come. There it goes. You did it. Here.
Now I need gloves to do it.
You need gloves? Oh no, I was gonna say you could just let your hands get dirty. Ooh.
You know, I really can't pull it.
You did it? Is it harder with the gloves on? Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay, you pull it. Pull the plant. There, just like that. And you give it a hug. Squeeze, a squeeze. Now you pull. Oh, there you go. Oh, you got the whole thing. Put it in there. So you go like this. You take some dirt. And then you put it around your plants, okay?
Can
And
I do
shove
it?
it in. Yep. You do it to yours. Fill in all those spaces.
I did mine.
Okay. Then we're going to go outside and water them, because now they need some water.
I will spray mine first.
See here, we're going to hang these up now.
I want to hang mine up.
Can you get it up there? What's that?
Good.
Ready? What do you think?
Good.
Pretty good. Think he'll scare off the hawks and eagles? I hope so. All right, hi everyone. So I'm going to give you an update on what I've done so far on the coop. I have finished almost all the hardware mesh. I ran out just on the bottom of my Dutch door, and I have finished the ramp for the chicken run, and I have semi-hung up the watering tank, and I'm working on the feeder, and I'm going to share with you what I'm doing on that. And then I have a dilemma right now. I purchased a solar panel for my chicken door power system, and I can't seem to get it to connect. Now it looks like there's power to it, but I can't get it in the setup mode. So if anybody has any suggestions for me, I would appreciate them. Okay, so here we go. Here is my chicken ramp that goes up to the door, and then we keep on going, and you can see I've got the camera. I have a Wise camera up there. I bought a solar panel. I have it hooked up here on the roof. I'm thinking maybe I'll turn it. I also have a panel here, which I can't get it to stay, but this is for the chicken door. I have yet to completely get that running. Just been really trying to get the build done. As you can see, I've got the top part of my Dutch door. The bottom part does not have hardware mesh on it. I have also hung up the watering tank. This is an awesome tank that has a cord also attached for winter time. I don't have it plugged in now, of course, but this one will be. It's insulated and it'll be heated for winter because we get such terrible cold winters here in Minnesota. For my feeder, I have a 5-gallon bucket, and I have drilled holes in it and put these spouts in it. So I'll show you how I do this. Now I assume I'm putting them in right. If anyone knows if I'm putting them in backwards, just let me know. So I plan to hang it right here in this corner. Hi, we are getting ready to head out to bring Joe some lunch. He is down in Canal Park and he's cleaning windows, so he asked us to bring some lunch, and we're gonna do that, and we're gonna walk around Canal Park and have a little fun. There he is, cleaning the windows downtown. His pole can reach 4 stories up in the sky. It gives a wife some peace of mind that he doesn't have to be that high on a lift. We thought we'd find a park bench and have some lunch. This is the Duluth Aerial Lift Bridge. Can you kiss them?
Yeah, you can chase that one.
Breathe you in as I spin you back around. You have my heart that no one else found. But it's been on my mind that the sun in the sky is pouring fast but keeping time. Just hit the road somewhere up the coast, far from home. No one has to know, 'cause it's been on my mind that the sun in the sky is pouring fast but keeping time. So rest your mind and listen to the waves rolling by. Come back down, we've been here so long. Fear the highs, losing all we know. 'Cause it's been on my mind that the sun in the sky is holding fast but keeping time. So rest your mind and listen to the waves rolling by, just rolling by, rolling by, rolling by, just rolling by, rolling by. So rest your mind and listen to the waves rolling by, just rolling by, rolling by, rolling by, just rolling by, rolling by.